Hi guys, Chef Sue here. In this video we're going to be making this yummy beef stir fry sauce. You can eat this with absolutely anything. You can either eat it with white rice or pasta. So we're going to be using some dark soy sauce. You can either use light or dark soy sauce, but I'm using dark soy sauce. Some sweet chili sauce. Also we're going to be using oyster sauce. So I'm going to be adding a seasoning cube and some salt to my thinly sliced beef. I'm just going to make sure the seasonings goes in. I'm going to chop in some onions and I'm going to add the onions to the seasoned beef. I'm just doing this so that it will soften the beef. If you're in a hurry and you don't have time, because I'm going to do this and refrigerate it for a few hours just so it can soften the beef. But if you're in a hurry, you can just use baking soda. It works really faster. You just mix your beef with some baking soda, add in some water and just leave it for about 15 minutes and then it's going to be really soft. I'm going to be using some green bell pepper, yellow pepper and red bell pepper. Carrots, I'm just going to chop them. And I'm going to also chop some carrots. Then I'm going to chop some garlic and some ginger. And I'm going to add some oil to a pan. I'm going to add in the beef and I'm going to stir fry it. You don't want to over fry it, you know it's already soft, so just cook, don't overcook it. In a bowl, I'm going to be adding some cornstarch, some dark soy sauce, some oyster sauce. I'm going to go ahead with sweet chili sauce. I'm going to add in some water and mix. You need to mix it properly because the cornstarch is like thick, so it's going to like stay at the bottom, so you need to give it a very good mix. So my beef is all ready now. I'm just going to take it out of the pan. Then I'm going to add some oil, saute some onions. I'm going to go in with some more onions. Then I'm going to stir. I'm going to fry this till it's a bit more brown. Then I'm going to go ahead with the chopped ginger and garlic and also saute some more till it's changed its color till it's brown. Then I'm going to go in with chopped scotch bonnet pepper. You can use dry pepper, you can use any pepper of choice, but I'm using this pepper. Then I'm going ahead with my chopped carrot, just going to stir properly. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of black pepper, you don't want to put too much. Then I'm going ahead with my chopped bell pepper. I'm going to stir fry properly for about 5 minutes. You don't want to make your vegetables overcooked, you just want it just cooked, not too soggy, just well cooked. I'm going to go ahead with a bit of salt, 1 Maggi cube. You don't want to over season this because you have already mixed our soy sauce, oyster sauce, and those already have some seasoning in it already, so you don't want to make everything too salty. So I'm just going to add in my beef now and stir for a few more minutes. Then I'm going to go ahead with the cornstarch slurry, the cornstarch mixture. I'm going to add a little bit of water. If it's too thick, you can add a little bit of water to loosen it up a little bit. Then I'm going to stir fry for a little bit more. Then I'm going to cover and leave it for a few minutes, and guys, it's all ready now. Simple and yummy. If you're in a hurry and you just want to whip up something real quick, this is your go-to. It tastes amazing and it's so yummy. So guys, tell me, what will you be pairing this yummy beef stir fry sauce with? I'm going to be taking mine with some rice, and you can have yours with pasta or anything, but I'm going to be taking mine with rice. So guys, if you've watched till this point, please subscribe to this channel. It's going to make YouTube push my videos out there further. And thanks for watching, and I really appreciate you all.